Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So hi Monkey, hi Paul. Here we have just a quick catch up on what's going on in the greenhouse today. Things are looking really well. These are my radishes that were at the back on the top shelf and I've let them dry out, which I'm not very pleased about. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're just going to have a quick look around what's going on in the greenhouse. Say hi Monkey, hi Paul. Yep, just watering a few things here. This is my watering container. I always have a couple of inches of water in there so I can just dip anything in I need to. This are my radishes here that were on the top shelf and I let them dry out, which I'm not pleased about. So they're coming back. We've got some spring onions here, a couple of dahlias. They're grown from seed last year. And this beautiful carnation. I wish I had smell-o-vision. The smell on this is, wow, it's divine. And that is a gorgeous pink carnation. It's a single flower, but the colours are breathtaking. At the back there we have, these were plug plants last year and they're all starting to come through nicely. That's going to be a lovely full basket and I'll post some videos on that when it starts flowering. As we come round here we have second shelf. This is lemon balm. It's growing really well now. Then we have Agapanthus there from seed. You can see those. At the back there's some violas and some I can't pronounce it anyway. At the top shelf here we have, these are 10-week stocks that I'm going to divide and pot on. And then next to those we have these, which I'm pleased with, Dianthus Pulmonaries. These have been sprayed for whitefly and greenfly, and since I've sprayed them they're coming along the tree. Those, put those back up there, out the way. Down here we have, just move that watering bottle out the way, on the floor. We have some delphiniums that were divided, one plant into 7. They're looking really nice. This is a cornflower, a single one. Bit of green fly there. I forget what that is now. It'll come back to me eventually. And then we have some rosemary, some parsley, some mint. Hi Monkey, hi Paul. But if you can see there's 2 buckets with potatoes in. They're just starting to break the surface. These are 2 begonias from last year. This is show begonia. This is Paul. Mrs. McLaughlin, yep, I love that. That is one of my favourite flowers, that. This is one, I think this is a red one. Looks really nice when it's flowering. And then at the top there we have some pelargoniums that were divided. And then we also have, this is Gypsophilia, which are all looking great. These got a case of whitefly. They've been sprayed now and they're coming along a tree now. I don't know if you can just see up there. Looking good. Put that one back. And then we come across here. We have, this is a buster seed trays. These are great if you're going to grow anything. If you haven't got a lot of space, you get a couple of these, and as you can see, you can take them out singly, pot them on, and then you can re-sow. Caladulias, looking nice there, and nemesias, they're all looking great. Then we come to the sweet peas that I've started pinching out to thicken these up. That'll be the second time they've been pinched out. And then behind those we have a beautiful collection of dahlia cuttings. They've all rooted well. And then some petunias just at the back there that need potting on. Then we have here some lupins and some marigolds. I don't know if you can see all those. And then these amazing, and I mean they are amazing, these. I'm so proud of these. These are petunias from last year. So people don't tell you the perennial, they're lying. The beautiful perennial petunias, as long as you fetch them before the first frost and overwinter them somewhere warm and light. This one here is absolutely amazing and the smell is divine. Then we have a tray of dahlias. I think these are pom-pom dahlias. Each one of those is growing. Even this one is starting to send out some roots. Then we come round here. We have a Dianthus there and then they're cornflowers, and then we have some of the bascum. These, I've lost 3 there, 4, sorry. So I've still got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 left. These were just too damp. I used a pea-free compost and it just never dried out. So they damped off basically. But the rest of them are coming on a treat. And then look at all these. These are pelargoniums. These were all from just one plant last year. Look how many cuttings I've got off it. Absolutely stunning. Then we come along here. We have, first time I've noticed this, Petunia flowering. Hey, hey, so excited. Hey, hey, hey. That's stuck. Yep. Wow, look at those flowers. And the scent is absolutely amazing. So I've got Petunias flowering left, right and centre. These have really responded well to this really nice weather. And then that one needs watering, that is bone dry, that one. I'll come down here with me. I'll put that on the bench, ready to be watered. I'll just come down, look, these have been watered today because these dried out. These are Chinese radishes and some spring onions there. Look at these pelargoniums. These were from Fabrics Nurseries. I cannot recommend these people enough. They supply really good quality flowers. And they're really good value as well. Here's Rudbeckias, a tray of, and a tray of Petunias there. With the one where these dry out so quickly, so I have to water these 2 or 3 times a day at the moment. And then we have my little cutting propagator at the back there, a tray of begonia, corms, tubers, and a half tray there. And then we have 3 begonia cuttings. That's all looking really well. And then a tray of begonias at the front there with 3 tomatoes. Got a set of seeds, which is great. As we come down here, oh wow, look at that pelargonium. I've had that a couple of years now. That was from Fabrics as well. I have 6 tomato plants here, and tomato plants are starting to flower. I'm not used to growing tomatoes, so you have to bear with me on this. I'm learning as I go. These are Gardener's Delight, these, one of the popular varieties. These Gelosperma floribundia. I didn't think anything was growing in here. I was going to chuck this tray away, and a couple of weeks ago, and I noticed little tiny little rabbit ears. As you can see there, I've got several plants now. Then we have this, forget the name of this now, but I have a dahlia cutting at the back there. Look at that, it's actually got a flower bud on it now. So what I'm going to do with that now, see, watch this here, this dahlia. To fatten it up, just finger and forefinger. That's just pinched out there, and that will send out shoots all the way down there. We have this beautiful fuchsia. Look at that on the inside of there, absolutely gorgeous. Some beautiful pelargoniums at the back there. A begonia, show begonia called Whispers, and a cutting off that. We have some cosmos here, and there's a tray of dahlias. So everything is really loving this heat, and looking really well. I'm going to order some more things from Fabrics this year, because once you get them for life, as long as you look after them well. You take cuttings off them, and once you get some stock in, that's it. You don't have to buy any plants again then. So yeah, all them pelargoniums there, all from one plant. These petunias, I grew some of these from seed last year, but some were plug plants like these up here. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Say bye monkey, bye Paul. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.